Hello, my beloved art journaling enthusiasts. I show you today an old page in art journal, which I will now improve. Not that I don't like that old version, but I think I can, with my new experience, bring to life a better one. I take the most time to change the background, so be patient watching this video. I will show you very fast which tools I use. I use, of course, acrylic paint with a dry brush, and I spread it all over the surface, and I'm doing it few times. I try to make this paint of different densities and to emphasize the previously painted elements. I use stamps. I love stamps. I really like them and I like the texture. Then I use here alcohol inks and I spread them all over. I like the way they spread on the surface and give such a transparent effect. Art journal is also for me a sketch for my painting, as I will paint when I will run out of inspiration. I use a dry brush all the time and I have a small amount of paint on it. Right now I choose a dragonfly stencil and paint over it, but not with one color. I choose several acrylic paints like green, yellow, blue, and try to mix them to achieve the desired effect, a shimmering dragonfly in the moonlight. I hope you like these changes and you want to see more, so be sure to leave a comment below the video so I know if I'm going in the right direction. A subscription will be a very nice gesture on your part, which spurs me on. On a daily basis, we have classes at the Academy of Drawing, as well as we have online classes where we teach children and teenagers to draw and to paint. I cordially invite you to sign up for a demonstration lessons for free. Link to sign up is in the description of the video. An art journal is an endless pleasure of creating new and real world. From old notes, old watercolors, we can create new works, intimidating their beauty. I invite you to paint with me. I look forward to feedback. See you again.